Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Syamilah binti Anuda Elias Anwar and I'm from University Malaysia Perlis, UNIMAP. Today I would like to present my paper on title of Comparison of Dendrocalamus Asper, Bambusa, Blumeana and Gigantochloa Wrayi bamboo subjected to long-term submerging period as their replacement in concrete. As introduction, bamboo is known as a strong species to be used as main component for the house or lightweight structures. It is significant to investigate the effect of bamboo when acting as reinforcement in concrete structures. This study will emphasize the best treatment method for bamboo to be used in concrete for long-term duration without affecting the strength of concrete. There are three major objectives for this study. The first one, to identify the suitable treatment method for bamboo sample. The second one, to compare the flexural strength of beam that reinforced by steel and Malaysian bamboo. And the last one, to determine the tensile strength for three different types of bamboo stick with different age of usage. And for the limitation of study will focus on the three different types of Malaysian bamboo. The age of bamboo used in the study are between 3 to 5 years, and there are three treatment methods of bamboo. They are untreated, treated with flax oil, and treated with vegetable oil. The materials and method for this study, three different types of bamboo has been utilized in this experimental study. They are Dendrocalamus asper, Bambusa blumeana, and Gigantochloa. The bamboo samples had been dried for 30 days for tensile tests. Then the bamboo was cut into dog bone shapes. The width and length of samples were 20 mm and 200 mm respectively. The highest tensile strength bamboo would be selected to undergo the flexural and deflection tests. This type of bamboo was treated using flax and vegetable oil. The figures show the thickness of three different bamboo used in this study. The first A represent the thickness of Dendrocalamus asper, which are 70 mm, and for the Bambusa blumeana, 12 mm thickness, and the Gigantochloa with 25 mm thickness. Okay, this is the result, the flexural result for this study. Based on this graph, the comparison percentage between untreated and treated sample indicates 23% higher for treated with vegetable bamboo reinforcement TVOBRC sample and 6.3% for treated with flax oil bamboo sample TFOBRC sample, which are obtained from 75 days of submerging period. Meanwhile, the comparison for 45 days of curing period indicates the increment of 27% of TVOBRC and 13.5% for TFOBRC sample respectively. Therefore, it indicates that the suitable or the best treatment is known as oil, vegetable oil, recorded at 45 days of submerging period. Okay, this is indicate the deflection result for this study. From the findings, in overall, the maximum deflection is 3 mm obtained from TVOBRC sample and 3.5 mm for steel reinforcement sample as control sample. Meaning that the differences between control sample and the highest sample that treated using vegetable oil is 40%. This indicates that the usage of treated bamboo as reinforcement should be double the current one so that it can be at least experience the similar deflection with SRC sample or known as control sample. And this is the figure of crack pattern behavior for 28 days submerging period for all sample, untreated, treated with flax oil, treated with vegetable oil, and control sample. And this is the 45 days submerging period for the crack pattern behavior. And the last one show the 75 days submerging period crack pattern captured during the experimental. And for the conclusion, based on the finding, the tensile strength for Dendrocalamus asper is higher than Bambusa Blumeana and Gigantochloa. And the bamboo heated 100%, 100 degrees Celsius, and then soaked in vegetable oil is better than treated with flax oil. Overall, the behavior of Dendrocalamus asper soaked with vegetable oil at 75 days curing developed high flexural strength and deflection as compared to untreated and treated with flax oil samples. Okay, for further study, it is recommended that the sample of bamboo for tensile test should be taken at different position of bamboo. This is because the tensile strength is vary according to the position of bamboo itself. The curing period of beam reinforced with bamboo shall be increased in order to investigate the long-term effect between bamboo and concrete. And it also recommended that different solution or coating of bamboo stick shall be investigated to prevent the water absorption in concrete. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.